Hey guys, how's it going? How to make app icons black and white on iPhone, iOS. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the general, go ahead to the software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, because if you update it, you're gonna be able to access that feature. Now, what I'm gonna do, go back to your screen. Alright, and this is my screen right now. If you want to make it black and white, what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and hold the screen, right? And you're gonna be able to see the app wiggling or shaking. So click edit at the top right, and you're gonna see three options. Click customize, right? In the customize, you're gonna be able, after you click customize, you're gonna be able to set it on light, dark, or automatic, right? And you're gonna be able to see right here tinted, right? In the tinted, you're gonna be able to see that it is already set on black and white. So if you want to keep it that way, you could just keep it that way, or just make it into the dark mode. Or if you want to change the color, you can change the color to whatever color that you prefer, right? And basically you're gonna be able to change it. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.